Here's a quick reminder to be in the moment. I know you've heard this before. Be here now. Think about the moment, be present. But we often forget because our ego mind is constantly working overtime to think about and fret about the past or have anxiety and worry about the future. And we're never really in the moment. That's because the ego, if it's unchallenged, untamed, it will just lead you on autopilot, and your mind will just be like a broken record, worrying and thinking about the same things over and over again. And so a really good exercise that you can do is breath work. And one of the great simple ways to get back into that moment where your mind is like letting go of all the thoughts, all the feelings, and you're just being present in that moment is to think about breathing in, counting 1, and then exhaling, and then breathing in again, counting 2, and exhaling, and then keep doing that till you get to the number 10, and just focus on your breath, focus on the counting, always count in 1 on your inhale, and exhale, and then inhale again, 2. I'm going to do a demonstration of this. And see how long you can go without breaking that thread of counting, where your mind doesn't pull you off into another direction. And it's really great exercise to focus, and you can challenge yourself to see how long you can go and counting to 10 and how many rounds of 10 you can get to without interrupting the flow. They say that really a true meditative mind and a present mind is like oil dripping out of the oil, and it's that unbroken stream of oil. So you want to kind of get to that place with your mind. And the more you practice this throughout your day, the more you're able to pull yourself in the moment at any time. So let's begin. I want you to take a deep breath in, close your eyes, and count number 1. Exhale. Count number 2. Exhale. Count number 3. Exhale. Count number 4. Exhale. Number 5. Exhale. Number 6. Exhale. Number 7. Exhale. Number 8. Exhale. Number 9. Exhale. Number 10. Exhale. Number 1. Exhale. Number 2. Exhale. And so on. And so you keep repeating the numbers, keep going rounds of 10, and just see how long you can last. And then if you forget or your mind wanders, which it will, go back and start at 1 again. And another thing to think about is you don't have to take deep breaths and deep exhales. Just follow your natural breath. Just be present into your natural breath. And you just get used to breathing normally, and having that attention to just the breath gives your mind something to focus on, that one-pointed mind, and it automatically brings you into the moment. This is such a great technique if you're stressed out or if you want to start your day with this breath work. It really is a powerful practice to keep you present in the moment and out of the worry and fears of the ego. So try it out, and would love to hear how you do.